Hello dear students, let's start with Sst Chapter number 4, the Equatorial region. So student, in previous lesson we had learned about the tundra region. So in the Equatorial region we are going to study about the climatic condition of this region, animal, vegetation and people and their occupation of this region. So student, first question is unscramble the letters to identify the animals. So you have to solve these as a homework. So let us start with the Equatorial region. So student, first we will study about the location of the Equatorial region. So Equatorial region is located in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So it is also called as a torrid zone. So students, this region is Equatorial region is hot throughout the year. Equatorial region is hot throughout the year because the sun rays are directly falls on the equator. The sun rays are directly falls on the equator. So in this region there is a hot throughout the year. And the climate and the weather of this region is hot and humid with excessive rainfall. Okay students. So student, the areas in the Equatorial region are also called the hot wetlands. It lies 10 degrees north and south of the equator, means in between the Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. The main areas in this region are as follows. First is the Amazon basin in South America. Second is the Congo-Zaire basin in West Africa. And third is Indonesia and Malaysia in Asia. So student, we will study this with the help of map. So student, on page number 272 on this map there are given the location of the Equatorial region. So first is the Amazon basin. It is situated in the North America. Second is the Congo basin. It is in South Africa, and Indonesia and Malaysia in Asia. Okay, so this is the location of the Equatorial region on our world map. So student, let us see about the climatic condition of the Equatorial region. First, the climate in the Equatorial region is hot throughout the year as it receives the direct rays of the sun. The climate of the Equatorial region is hot throughout the year because the sun rays are directly falls on this region. The high temperature in the morning causes water to evaporate from rivers, lakes and swamps. So they are having very high temperature, and because of this in the morning the water is turns into the vapor, or water gets evaporated from the rivers, lakes and swamps. The water vapor rises, cools down from clouds and comes down as a rain in the afternoon. So student, in the afternoon the water vapors cools down and forms clouds, and after that clouds turns into the rain. So humidity is very high in this region, resulting in heavy rainfall. See, there is also heavy rainfall, and because of this heavy they are also having humidity, and because of this humidity they are having heavy rainfall. It rains throughout the year, and they are also having the rain throughout the year. So student, today we have studied about the climatic, the location and the climatic condition of the Equatorial region. So student, read textbook page number 271 and complete your homework.